I am going to do today chicken Manchurian. It is something different, so we will see how it is done and I hope you will enjoy too. How to do the chicken Manchurian? Actually, I have taken chicken cut into cubes without bones and we will see what we are going to do now. Now all these chicken pieces which I have taken, you can see without bones, I told you, cut into small pieces, that is into cubes that I have cut and kept it. I am putting salt into this. Same way I will use the turmeric, pepper and a little chili powder. All this you put it and nicely mix this. Now what I am going to do is I take an egg. For this quantity I have taken about 250 grams of chicken. I am using 1 egg into this. Mix this and keep at least for 15 minutes or 30 minutes at least. Before we start deep frying, I am going to add a little corn flour. One by one, I'll take this, put it into the corn flour mixture. I have to use my hand and nicely press this. Now we have rolled it in corn flour. Nicely press and keep it ready because I am going to deep fry this. So we will see how we are going to deep fry this now. It has to come nice and golden brown. So we have to patiently fry this and take it. That's all we have to do. After that we will see how we are going to make this tasty preparation. I think it's almost ready. Right, it is almost ready. Now what are we going to do with the rest of the preparation? We will see how we are going to do because we have already deep fried the chicken pieces and you saw how it was done also. Now we will do the rest of the work. Now we will add a little oil, onions, garlic, ginger, all these three things we will add it and stir fry now. While I am doing this, you can always watch what I am doing now. I am using dark soy sauce 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Then I need tomato paste 1 tablespoon, chili sauce, that also 1 tablespoon. We need a little chili paste. So I use the chili paste 1 teaspoon. All this we put together and mix it nicely. Allow it to get cooked well. Lastly, I put the tomato paste, now tomato sauce. So we have used many sauces. Now what I am going to do is, now this is nicely fried. Lastly, we put this fried chicken pieces and a little sugar, 1 teaspoon sugar. This is only chicken Manchurian that I do it in my way of doing like. Lastly, coriander leaves. Alright, my chicken Manchurian is ready. Now we will dish out this. This is this different type of preparation, chicken Manchurian. Now we have done this chicken Manchurian and I hope you will enjoy because there is no gravy or anything, but we are going to have with ghee rice, like a fried rice with carrot and prawns. Now we'll quickly do a small preparation of this fried rice. I thought it's really good to make this shredded onions, garlic also, big slices, curry leaves, stir fry this. Along with that, I have got some red and green pepper, carrot pieces. Now I thought I'll use a little prawns to make it more tastier. Fresh prawns. Also I used it into this. Of course we need seasoning. Salt, a little pepper. That's all. I have got some rice for you. That is cooked rice with a little turmeric I have put into this. Yellow rice like I have prepared, so that it's turmeric we put and mixed it without having it white rice. Samba or basmati rice you can prepare. Now this is ready for us to serve with chicken Manchurian. Small decoration I have done. Healthy preparations only we do, so that it will be really nice for you, and you can see how it comes. When we have a preparation like this chicken Manchurian, we need a fried rice also. So I have done a fried rice with the prawns and carrots, and I hope you will enjoy this type of preparation. I hope you try it out and say how it looks like. So hope to see you all soon with another episode. Bye from me now.